Why it happens that during winter months our hairs get erect on the skin? The logic is very simple. We'll understand the role of erector pili muscle here. To understand what happens in summer months in contrast to winter months is pretty interesting. In the summer months, our blood vessels gets relaxed and the capillaries move towards the surface. As a result, the erector pili muscles are relaxed. When these muscles get relaxed, the air does not find space for being trapped for insulation. But during the winter months, what happens is the erector pili muscles constricts. As a result, the hair gets straightened and there is a space which is created, and this is the space where air gets absorbed, and this air acts as insulating section. So insulation occurs because of the erection of the contraction of the erector pili muscle, and this process is also known as piloerection. Why? Because of the pili muscle, as the name suggests. So constriction of the blood vessels occur in the case of winters. However, during summers it is dilation or relaxation. So in summers there is vasodilation, sweating occurs and hairs drop down, but during the winters there is constriction of the vessels that occurs, the constriction of the erector pili muscles, which leads to creation of the space. This space gets filled with air, which acts as insulation, and therefore this erection of the hairs on the skin helps us in insulation. Another important way through which we escape the cold winters is shivering. Why so? Because during shivering there is rhythmic contraction of the skin muscles, and this rhythmic contraction produces heat. As a result, during the winter months, shivering is one of the ways through which we are able to adapt to the cold atmosphere. Another important term that we would understand here is goose flesh. Goose flesh is a term which is used when there is extreme winter, the hair becomes erect, and when the hair becomes erect, the skin get contracted because of the constriction of the erector pili muscle again. But it is not just during the winter months, or it is also because of nervousness, fear, or extreme danger situation. So the muscle gets actually depressed in the epidermis, the hair gets erect and the muscle gets in the form of a dense structure near it, and therefore we call it as goose flesh. So goose flesh is another important terminology that you must be familiar with.